So friend, I want to just dish up a quick little nice dish for you.
Yeah.
This one brought to you by the folks at Anchor Products. And I like, as Tyron know, to put little crazy twists and combinations on normal dishes.
Right.
Yeah, that's what we're about. Yeah.
So what was your favorite dish, fast food dish?
Oh, fast food?
Like when you were growing up, you know, like a childhood kind of thing, and when your parents taking you for a fast food dish. Mine was pizza.
I like corn soup a lot.
Right, or you have street food kind of.
Because my parents used to exercise around the savannah. They worked in Port of Spain, right? So
Right.
in the afternoons, after school,
Yeah.
you know? So that was like a nice routine for me.
Right.
I also like wings and fries.
Wings and fries.
Yeah, love that.
So pizza was my thing. I love a pizza. So I still love pizza. I love a pizza. So I actually was buying my meat mouth as well.
Okay.
So what I'm actually doing here is combining meatballs, you know,
Right.
like meatballs and a tomato sauce with some spaghetti.
Right.
But I'm making a meatball pizza pie.
Pie in it too. All right.
So it's a pizza, but in the form of a pie.
Okay.
Cheesy goodness, meatballs. So I just very simply, I'm grating some cheese. So I'm using a range of the Anchor cheese. I'm using some mozzarella that I'm grating here very quickly.
Right.
I'm using some cheddar, ordinary cheddar cheese from Anchor,
Right. Nice.
and then some Parmesan for a nice little extra bite.
Send it up.
Yeah. So the ideal combination for pizza is some mozzarella, and I have some cheddar cheese here that I want to just add in and mix together here. Nice combination. So I'm mixing the cheddar, I'm leaving the Parmesan by itself. I'll tell you why in a bit. So I have my pizza dough. This is regular pizza dough, guys. No mats in this. What you recognize I did, I put it in a nice dish,
Right.
and kind of just create a
In the
pie.
form of a pie,
In the
yeah.
form of a pie. You pull it up to the sides, nice, and you get a pie kind of vibes. I have some tomato sauce. What I did with this tomato sauce is really simple. This can come straight out of the can, but I just decided to just
Spice it up.
spice it up a little salt, little pepper,
Okay.
some garlic, and just really add some flavor to it. You can use it straight out of the can, but hey, nothing wrong with spicing it up a little bit.
Yeah,
And a
it's
little
Chinese, you know.
We like to spice it up a little bit. So a very thin layer of tomato sauce, and this is really just to flavor up the base. And then I want a very thin layer being the you don't want to overdo the cheese, right? You want, because it's going to be
That's the
cheesy.
cheddar and
This is the cheddar and the mozzarella.
Right.
And I am just going to take some meatballs. You can actually do this store-bought meatballs, nice mini store-bought meatballs. This is about watching the virtual concert, your friend performing live in
yeah.
the virtual concert, and you can pull this together very, very quickly.
Of course.
You could do, this is mincemeat that you could pull together and make some quick little mini meatballs as well. But yeah, this is about quick, easy, get in front of the TV or the laptop or wherever you're watching a virtual concert on. And what I want to do now is dot each meatball very quickly. From now, I want to take a little more cheese with it and just do a nice little sprinkle. That's it. I have some oregano, right out, nice oregano, dried oregano. And for a little spice, yeah man, a little spice with it.
Nah, man.
Yeah?
It's cool.
Just a little red pepper flakes.
Nice.
And this
Ready?
goes in the oven for 20 minutes and bakes up, and you get a meatball pizza
Pie.
That's too good to be true, Ty.
Yeah.
That's too good to be true. So guys, I have one nice, keep it nice and warm here for you so it comes out nice.
Oh.
Look at that. Look at that.
Yum.
Wow.
So friend, let me serve you up. And this
That's
is
what I like
said.
about these vibes.
Yeah.
Comfort food.
Comfort food. Actually, I said, this is feel good food.
Yes.
We in a time when we just need to feel good. A lot of things not going how we want it to go.
Definitely.
And feel good food really is,
What of the day?
oh my goodness. So deep dish,
Gracias.
meatball pizza pie. We're gonna take a taste.
I've been one time?
One time.
Gosh.
We want the verdict. We want the verdict. So you could go hard. Yeah. That's a bite.
Yeah.
That's a bite.
Just like real pizza too, you know what I mean?
So the mozzarella,
The mozzarella string. Enjoy.
like I said earlier when I got the drink, Gotta double up on the stoop.
Yeah. That's like it. Erphaan Alves, guys, is here with us. He is having his drink.
Excellent.
He's eating his pie. Try the recipe, guys. Very, very simple. You could do this, Erphaan.
Yeah.
You could do this. This is simple cheese, meatballs, and some pizza dough that you can.
Carnival Monday and Tuesday.
Hey.
We home so.
Hey.
That's the order of the day.
Get the recipe and cup of the curry. When we come back, we share a cup with the man Erphaan Alves. Roll Out a Recipe came to you courtesy Anchor Products.